Hello friends, I'm back with another journal share. This one is called Iris because of the beautiful iris image on the front. And I love irises. They were my mom's favorites. This book is 3 signatures with a total of 116 plus pages, and you'll see what I mean by plus when we get into the book. It has an 1.5 inch spine, and I've covered it with a doily that's been embellished with fabric yo-yos, buttons. There's an embroidered piece that's been appliqued onto the doily. There's some gathered fabric. Here's some sari silk that's been made into a bow and appliqued upon the doily. And then there's the seam binding that's attached and then covered with a button here. Here's a little Sunday school pin, and when you get this, be careful because the tip of the pin is exposed, so I don't want you to get poked. The little verse or the little notation on here that says, "Hold fast that which is good," and there's a little bird on there, and I think there's like holly berries and leaves that it's sitting on or flying onto. Here is a little Nebraska Centennial pin, and it's a Girl Scout pin for the Nebraska Centennial from 1867 to 1967. So she's decorated in all kinds of ways. There's sewing, there's lace, there's sari silk. So let's get into Iris. There's a double seam binding there. It makes a really pretty bow. Now the front is decorated with an iris image collaged onto a background of music papers, and that's her little name there, Iris. Just various little numbers all over the place. This is a tri-fold folio. The inside, there's a pocket over here that has my thank you card, pretty parrots, and a tag for journaling. There's journaling space on each one of those cards. I've got my own images throughout, plus there's some Tracy Fox labels. This is one of my DigiKits that you can find. It's a Dresden quilt plate corner pocket. Here's a postcard for some journaling. This is in one of my scrapbook digital files for extra journaling, and here's just some fun ephemera, some play money. There's $2. On this side, there's 3 pockets made from smaller postcards, and there's an airmail back, envelope back. Here's an old picture. I think these little kids are so cute. So you can journal on them, on the back of them. And here's another old picture with journaling space. And those just tuck right back into their spaces. And then this has another little tuck spot that looks like a frame. So there's more journaling space there, and they're just framed out right here. Tracy Fox. This is one of my own little images. Numbers, dates, they all go well with junk journals. This was an image that I scanned from the inside of an old music book. I just love it. It's very Victorian, and it's from the 1800s. just gives you some more journaling space. That's what I mean by plus pages. This is a digital from my Etsy store. It's half of a page of a German plant book. So all of the names are in German. And so that just gives you extra journaling space. You can also write a little bit on the inside cover. Here's a Tim Holtz slotted die cut. So that gives you extra room to store things, plus all of the extra journaling space too. I cut this date off of a prescription, March 30th, 1933. And then there's also a tuck spot back here that holds a large journal card, journal tag. I put this in here, but I didn't glue it in. It just says this book belongs to, so the new owner can attach it if he or she would like. This is an image of an old calling card. I just love the embossed look of it. Here's a tag that is behind those two envelope looking pieces of paper. Extra journaling space. And that one does the same thing. Opens up for more journaling. I just love these images. Tucked away. This is a day planner page from January 8th, 1949. Gives you extra journaling space. An old card back. Here's some extra journaling space. It's a journaling card. And here's an extra tuck spot with extra journaling. I love this image. Here's a little lace tab, and it holds a key charm. I hope the lighting is okay. Here's an old frame, scanned from an old picture, but I put some birds in it instead, and here's a little number ephemera I placed on there from, let's see, I think it's just an old bank ledger. I just thought the number was fun. And then this little guide tucks in here for extra journaling. And you can write here as well. This flips out. It's an envelope with some extra journaling cards. This is from my Zentangle kit. This is from my stained windows kit, and this is just a little, it's about birds. It's from a bird book. Here's some of my washi tape and extra places to journal. A little corner tag or corner tuck for extra journaling space. It's an old flashcard. I love the green, how it looks there. More images. Oh, here's some little tiny cards, wildflowers and some insects. This is from a day what do I want to call it? Day planner page, March 22nd, 1931. Here's the meaning, the definition of iris with some of my washi tape. Cute little card with 3 little girls. Looks like they're ready for Sunday school. This is the center of the middle signature. And so I just made a pocket out of the middle page. There's an old card, some seed catalog images for extra journaling space, and then there's a pocket behind here as well. Tracy Fox taught us how to make these little inserts. I had a lot of fun making them. And then there's extra journaling on the back. And here's another fan calling card, and I tucked a little envelope in it for extra journaling space. Pam from the Paper Outpost gave a tutorial on how to make these little envelopes, so I'm making a bunch of them. They're just really sweet. Oh, that's not the word. Okay, here we go. That's how you do it. Tuck it right back in there. This is a couple pages from a flower book, and it's about the bearded iris. So you can learn all about it, and then you can journal on the back. Some more journaling cards with flower images. Some old trading stamps. Nebraska Series G. This is a jeweler's envelope, and I have some little slips of paper inside. Another corner pocket with July 4th on it. Here's some blue to go with the blue. It's an old flashcard and a little tag with some lace on the top and journaling space on the back. These images that you've seen throughout are from an old magazine called American Home. I just thought they were so pretty, so I wanted to include them. Some bird images. Here's a page that's been extended and a tuck spot where it's glued on and extended. Just some images that I thought were pretty for extra journaling space. And this is some raised from some texture paste. This one is held on by a hair clip, and there's a beautiful blue flower charm. It goes with the color of the book. Oops, there's 2 pages there. Another one of those American Home images. Another day planner sheet from April 27th, 1949. The original owner said that it was warm and fair that day. Another image from the American Home magazine, which was 10 cents. Some more trading stamps. Another seed catalog image. Some more journaling space, folded to make it look like an envelope. Some more plant images. This is my great aunt. I've made her into a pretty little fairy with my locust wings. I have locust wings on my Etsy store. They're fun to work with. I found the letters Iris, that spell out Iris, in this old Spellbound card game. And then here's a little alphabet card to journal with. A bingo card And another German plant page for extra journaling space. You can journal on the back here. And then on the back cover, I have this little journal that's just been clamped on. It's not glued on, so you can move it anywhere you want. It'll fit on the inside of your journal, like between the signature pages, or the signature groups, I should say, if I can find one. Well, where is it? Okay, it's got to be here somewhere. Right there. It'll fit there real nice too, and you close it up and keeps it secure. But it is an old window envelope that I've folded up on itself to make a pocket. This pocket holds two little journaling not journaling cards, but they're journaling cards, but they're old flashcards that I've made smaller, and I've decorated it with a pretty flower image, and my aunt with her fairy wings, she peeks out of the window. And then this opens up into a little diary, a little journal. And I made a mistake, and I put this page in upside down. So we got butterflies flying upside down. Sorry about that. But it's a junk journal, and things aren't perfect in a junk journal. So this one's upside down too, but it's still pretty. This is Tracy Fox's collage page that I've backed it with, stitched all around it. And so that is it, my friends. I hope you like it, and I hope you all are well, and I hope you have a great Sunday. Thanks for coming along. Have a good day. Bye.